Hello guys, this is the last video lesson that I will publish free. Before I get into the trade recap of last week, I want to share with you this quote from Warren Buffett. He says, investing in yourself is the best thing you can do. Anything that improves your own talents, nobody can tax it or take it away from you. They can run up huge deficits and dollar can become worse or less, and all of these things. But if you have got talent yourself and you have maximized your talent, you've got a tremendous asset that can return tenfold. So this goes back to the basically announcement we had last week, and I said from now on we move to premium chat room. You can join our premium chat room. I share premium materials and knowledge during the video lessons and during the market hour. And the reason for charging people is not because I don't want to share this material unless you pay me. That's because if you pay attention. If you don't pay, you don't care. You say, oh, it's free. Whatever we say here, whatever I put my time and knowledge in this chat room, some people they say, yeah, it's free. Uh, it's not that important. But when they pay, basically they pay attention. So that's basically what you can do for your future, and you have to know that some people they say we want passive income, we don't want to uh, work hard or get success by working hard or investing in ourselves. They want effortless success. It's not possible. So as I said, from Monday, October 1st, 2018, we go into premium chat room and we get our alerts and uh, commentary during the market hour, and you get video lessons which I try to uh, explain a couple of setups every week and answer all your trading questions. So let's go back to our last trading recap. IGC. This was, uh, I would say, very clear manipulation by, I don't know, some individuals. They started to, if you go back, you see the stock started from $1. It went to $4 and it was fading till here. Everything was like, okay, it seems like people got excited. It was I don't know, it's pot stock or whatever. But after Wednesday, they had some fluffy news. The stock went up and it started to continue its run up to $7 35 cents. So at this point, it was around 11:20. At 11:20, you saw basically a lot of shares came to the market and there was no buyer to keep this up. I said in the chat room 680 is the point for the stock to show its behavior. It went a little bit higher and in the next round it crashed that, and I was telling people exactly at this point you can, if you can find shares to short it. And a couple of our members, I think they shorted this. But remember this 11 here at the top, 1121, 1120, 1121. So at this point, exactly at 1120, NBEF, NBEV, NBEV at 1122.25, there are big buyers. They bought everything till 569, from 483 to 569. So and then it started to show the similar pattern like IGC. I said 520. If let me go to this point, I said 520 is the point that NBEV is a key level. If it cannot hold this, it has the similar pattern like IGC, and we started shorting this here. But the no, we shorted a little bit further. I think we shorted here, somewhere around here. So make it clear. When it crashed 520, I was thinking, okay, it goes back to 470 or 440, it doesn't matter. But the problem was they started soaking all the inventory, and it went all the way back to 550, 560. We decided to cover, and we took 30 cents per share loss, which was not huge, but yeah, I got stubborn and didn't cover earlier because I didn't understand, okay, this is something that is clear manipulation by maybe some individuals or institution. I don't think it's institutional manipulation. They have different signs, but that was what happened in these two stocks. Anyway, the other stock I was successful shorting. Somebody in the chat rooms asked about SYN in the morning. I said this is the key level 615 for SYN. I think it was around here. I told that person this clearly couldn't hold this support, but it held this support here, and I was telling him I think it's a short. But as you can see, I think more people started to short this aggressively in the morning. They got a squeeze, a retest of the high of the day. It was not successful. In the next round, it was 680. Yeah, it was 680. I alerted people, guys, I think this is the last time you take your short, but don't go all in. Take reasonable position and just wait. And as you can see, we are still in the zoom mode. It crashed from 680 to $2.63, and they had offerings and more shares coming to the market. And you can see this was one of the time that people could bank a lot. It was a huge resistance here at $8, and traded 20 million shares. They basically dumped a lot of shares in the afternoon in the market, and it made a round trip from $8 to $2, and it opened basically from $2 and it went to $8. So that was interesting. AYTU, it was in the middle of the day. I said in the chat room 380. Yeah, 380 is the key level I'm watching for. I said to people, if it can hold 380, it means 380 builds a good support. One here, one here, one here. 370 was the next support. It couldn't hold any of these, and as you can see, it crashed all the way to the 250. What else we had? PYTG was OTC. I think it's OTC hot stock. It went from $1.30 to $2.30. It came to 176, went to 215, and it held this 177. My guess is it opened gaps up on Monday, and if it breaks this $2.20, it might run for a little bit longer. There is no resistance. From last year we had, let's see, we have this resistance here at $2 and probably 330 would be the next one. So we will see. We keep this on watch for Monday, and that was it, I think. So have a good one. See you everybody in the premium chat room on Monday. I will send you an email with a link, and also you can join our chat room if you go to the free chat room on ecofin.com, and there was a there is an option in the main chat room to join our premium chat room. So I think there is nothing else I want to share with you here. So have a great weekend. See you everybody in the chat room on Monday.